Hello, in this video we'll talk about work function from purrr package in R. And a work package is called to execute functions purely for their side effects. So what this means? This means that this function only do some operations but not return the value other than the original object itself. So for example, if we want to use pipeline, usually the function will step by step will return new object to the next function, right? But work function does not return new object. If it is invisibly returned original object, it just performs some operations for this original object. So next we show example in RStudio. So first we will load purrr package because work function belongs to this package. And we create a list with 3 elements A, B, and C, and each of them is a vector with different lengths. Then we will plot histogram for this list object. So we can use a walk of this list, then use HIST. So this is the result of work in the subplot for each histogram. You can see the title is not so beautiful here because work just use the default parameter, and we have set the parameter to for the plot has to 1 row 3 column. So you can use iwalk if you want to do some options. So iwalk this list, then use a tilde histogram. Then inside we set a .x and main is .y. So the work will use the element's name from this list into the histogram. So this is the result. You can see much more better. A, B, and C, and X now. So we just show very little bit about the work function. So if you're interested, you can watch more or search more in the work and iwalk function from purrr package. Thanks for watching.